Good morning, boys and girls, and good morning, Cameron. Today I'm going to read a story about families, and families come in all shapes and sizes. But today we're going to learn about Clifford's family. And here we go. Clifford's Family by Norman Bridwell. I'm Emily Elizabeth, and this is my dog. His name is Clifford. We live in a small town now, but we were both born in the city. And one day we went back to visit our old home in the city. Clifford hadn't seen his mother since he was a tiny puppy. She hardly knew him. She still treated him like a puppy. She checked his teeth and she looked at his ears to see if he had been washing them. Do you wash behind your ears like you're supposed to? The man told us where Clifford's brothers and sisters lived, and we went to find them. Clifford's sister Claudia lived nearby. She was taking her owner for a walk. Do you have a dog? Do you walk your dog? We went to the park with them. A taxi was blocking the crosswalk. Clifford took care of that. Oh, I wonder what he did. Oh, look. Next, we found his brother Nero. Nero was a rescue dog at the fire station. While we were there, the alarm rang, and we followed the fire truck. Nero crushed into the building. Oh, look, the building's on fire over here. Do you know what we call the men who take care of the fires? Mm, yes, they're firefighters. Very good. Clifford helped him. Nero was very brave. Then we set off to the country. Clifford's other sister, Bonnie, was a farm dog. One of Bonnie's jobs was to herd the sheep into the pen. Clifford wanted to do some farm work too. He started to drive the cows toward the barn. One of the cows was a bull, and bulls don't like the color red. Uh-oh. Clifford wasn't scared. He was smart. He didn't want to hurt the bull. So he jumped out of the way. When Clifford jumps, he really jumps. We had one more place to visit. It was Clifford's father's home in a town nearby. The house was small. There was a lot of kids playing in the yard. Clifford's father didn't have a collar. or a dog dish or a dog house, but he seemed very happy. I guess it was the kids. He sure loved kids. He was a lot like Clifford, just a little smaller. Clifford wished his family could come and live with us, but they all had people who needed them. Just as I need Clifford, the best dog of all. Do any of you have a dog in your family? We do. We have two dogs in our family, Chi-Chi and Bella. Well, that was our story about families today, and I hope you have a wonderful day and take care of your family. If you like the story, make sure that you hit the like button below. Have a great day. Bye, Cameron.